What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We got another install for the F-150. This time we're going to be installing the DeeZee Tailgate Assist. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So everything that comes with the kit is this shock here, along with the two mounting brackets, a small screw that you're going to see that we need later, and a torx Allen wrench that also comes with the kit. All you need to provide here is this 10mm socket. So let's go ahead and get right into it. The first thing you want to do is remove this bolt right here, and this is where the torx Allen wrench comes in. So let's go ahead and get that part taken out really quick. Alright guys, so now that we finally got that bolt out, what you want to do next is go ahead and grab this bracket right here, and you're going to stick that bolt through the top hole and then bolt everything back into place. Just make sure though when you bolt everything back into place that that bracket is properly lined up. So now that that's nice and tight and lined up, next, go ahead and grab your 10mm socket, and right here on the side where you see these two bolts is where you're going to want to go ahead and put that next bracket. But first, let me give you a better angle so you can see the two bolts that we're talking about. So you're going to want to loosen the bottom one, and you're going to want to take the top bolt all the way out so that we can put this bracket over it. Let's go ahead and get that done. Alright guys, so now that we got the bottom bracket installed, it's time to install the tailgate shock absorber. Starting with the top, just press it firmly onto the stud of the new bracket, making sure you hear it click into place so that it's firmly secured. Now, moving down to the bottom, make sure you pull firmly on the shock so that it is extended enough to reach the bottom bracket. So here you can clearly see guys, I forgot to install the black bolt that came with the kit as I mentioned earlier, which is why I'm unable to secure the bottom part of the shock to the stud. So let's go ahead and get the stock bolt taken out and install the black bolt that came with the kit so that we can properly install the shock. So now that we have the black bolt installed, you can see that it's no longer in the way of the stud, which will allow you to install the bottom part of the shock. So again, make sure you firmly pull on the shock, giving enough length for you to clip it into the bottom of the stud. And there you have it guys. So now let's go ahead and test this out. So as always guys, if you liked the video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.